Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Walla, the podcast where we make English simple, fun, and actually useful. I'm Noah.
And I'm Sarah. We are so happy you are here today. Thank you for joining us.
Today, we are talking about a big question. The title is Why You Still Can't Speak English After Years of Study. Many people study English for 5, 10, even 15 years in school. But when they need to speak, the words don't come out. Does this sound like you? You are not alone. We will talk about the real reasons and, most important, how to fix it.
Yes, we will learn easy phrases you can use every day. We will practice together. And by the end of this episode, you will feel much more confident.
Before we start, please hit that like button if you want more episodes like this, and subscribe so you never miss a new lesson. Your support helps us a lot. Okay, let's begin.
Noah, tell me honestly, why do you think so many people study English for years but still cannot speak?
Good question, Sarah. First reason, they study grammar and vocabulary, but they don't speak. They read books, they do exercises, but speaking? Almost never. Speaking is a different muscle. You must use it.
Exactly. It's like learning to swim from a book. You understand the theory, but when you jump in the water, you sink. Today, we will jump in the water together, step by step.
Let's start with the most common problem, fear. Many students are afraid to make mistakes. They think, if I speak wrong, people will laugh.
That's a great point. But here is the truth. Native speakers make mistakes too, and they don't laugh at you. They want to understand you. So, first phrase of today, don't worry about mistakes. Repeat after me. Don't worry about mistakes. Don't worry about mistakes. Good. Now, let's make a short dialogue. Imagine you meet someone new. Hi, I'm Sarah. What's your name? My name is Noah. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Where are you from? I'm from... Oh, I forget the word. See? That's normal. You can say, sorry, I forget the word right now. Can you help me? Sorry, I forget the word right now. Can you help me? That's a perfect phrase. Use it. People love to help. Let's practice more. Listen and repeat. Hi, how are you today? I'm fine, thank you. And you? I'm a little... Sorry, I forget the word right now. Can you help me?
That's a perfect phrase. Use it. People love to help. Let's practice more. Listen and repeat. Hi, how are you today? I'm a little tired, but happy to speak English.
Wonderful. You are already doing better than yesterday. Good job.
Okay, listeners, pause here and repeat the dialogue with us 3 times. First time, listen. Second time, speak with us. Third time, speak louder. Ready?
Hi, how are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm a little tired, but happy to speak English.
Great! You did it! See, small steps. That is the secret. Now, another big reason, you study alone too much. English is for communication. You need real conversations.
Yes, find a language partner or speak to yourself. I do that every morning.
Really? Show us.
Okay, every morning I look in the mirror and say, "Good morning, Noah. How are you? Today I will speak English. My quick breakfast is a banana and coffee. What will you do today?" I love that. My quick breakfast is a banana. That is a real-life sentence, not I consume an elongated yellow fruit. Just simple. My quick breakfast is a banana. Exactly. Keep it simple. Listeners, tell me in your mind, what is your quick breakfast? Mine is toast with butter. My quick breakfast is toast with butter. Repeat after me. My quick breakfast is...
Let's talk about daily routines, because this is where you can practice every single day. Phrase number 1 for routines,
I usually wake up at
7 o'clock.
I usually wake up at 6:30. What about you, listeners? Say it now. I usually wake up at...
Good. Next phrase. Then I brush my teeth.
Then I brush my teeth and wash my face.
After that, I drink coffee.
After that, I check my phone.
These small sentences are gold. You can say them while you actually do the actions. That is real practice.
Let's make a full morning story together.
I wake up at 7. I feel sleepy, but I get up. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. My quick breakfast is eggs and bread. Then I go to work. On the way, I listen to this podcast.
Perfect story. Now, change it for your life. Listeners, record yourself saying your morning story. Send it to us if you want. We read every message. Another reason people stay quiet, they learn big, difficult words, but forget simple ones. Yes! So today we focus on simple, useful vocabulary. For example, instead of saying, I am experiencing fatigue, just say, I am tired. Or, I am exhausted from my daily responsibilities. No, say, I am very tired after work. Let's practice feelings. How do you feel today? I feel happy because I am learning. I feel motivated. I feel a little nervous when I speak English, but that's okay. That's okay. Repeat. It's okay to feel nervous. It's okay to feel nervous. You are improving already. Let's do a shopping dialogue. This is very practical. Excuse me, how much is this? It is $10. Okay, I will take it. Do you have a bag? Yes, here you are. Thank you. Thank you. Have a nice day. Have a nice day too. See how short and useful? No complicated grammar, just real words. Now, food. I would like a coffee, please. Very good. Can I have the menu? Listeners, imagine you are in a cafe. Practice this dialogue out loud right now. Noah and I will wait for you. Thank you so much for listening to this long episode. We went deep because we really want you to improve. Now, our fun community question, what time do you usually wake up? Tell us in the comments. We read them all and sometimes answer.